Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to see saved passwords in Google account. So you need to open your Google Chrome and you need to make sure that you are logged in to your account. So all you want to do right here is go to the search box and type right here Google Password Manager. And then tap on search. Now right here on the results, you need to scroll down and tap this password.google.com link. So just tap this Google Password Manager right here. And then as you can see, all the passwords or saved passwords that connected on your Google account. So you just find the application that you want to see your passwords right here. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and also ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.